Hey guys, today we're looking at this dust cleaning gel for your car's interior. Does it work? I don't know, but let's go test it out. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Like I said, today we're going to be checking out this interior dust cleaning slime that you guys might have seen online over the years. I've seen this stuff out for quite a while, and I've always was a little curious of, does it actually work? Is it any good, or is it just kind of a little scam thing that, you know, gets you to click? If it is, I bought it, so maybe I fell for it. But today we're gonna be testing it out on the Mustang. My interior is a little dirty, so this will be a good test. All right, so we're in the Mustang right now. We're gonna do a little unboxing, if you will. I don't know if you can call it that. We're gonna see what this stuff feels like. I'm assuming it's gonna feel slimy. Let's take a look at this stuff. There's a ton of brands out there, but basically the idea of this is that this slime you can push down into like little cracks and crevices in your car's interior, and it basically sticks to the dust. Pull it off of there, and your car is cleaner than it was before. Oh yeah, it's slimy, guys. Huh, gross. Ooh. Okay. Whoa. I don't know. This feels like stuff you used to play with as a kid. Okay, so you can see there's like pieces of it's very sticky. I'll give it that. Look at that. Wow. So we have some dust and stuff here in the steering wheel, and I'm wondering if this is actually going to get this out. So let's give this a shot and see if we can. You're supposed to just kind of push it in and then pull out. And I mean, maybe it did actually. If this actually works, I mean, Christ. Not sure if I could use this on a regular basis, because it seems like you gotta kind of keep this moving in your hands. If you don't, it kind of just like seeps down into your fingers and starts separating, so maybe not the best. However, I will give it this. It is picking up the dust, like on all the buttons and things like that. Like, it does kind of work. However, if you guys have seen this stuff before anywhere, you can see that they like shove it into the vents. I have a dirty vent right here, and I think we try it. All right, so here is the dusty vent that I haven't cleaned in quite some time. And here's our glob of slime. There's a bunch of dust and in there, and I'm gonna just pack this guy in. Hopefully, we don't just squish it all down the ventilation tube and lose it. That would suck, huh? All right, let's peel it out. You can see how much dust there still is on this. So there's still quite a bit. Now I can do this again and again, and eventually maybe it'll work. Let's see, let's go back in. No, it's still dusty. So you can see from the little vent test here that it doesn't really pick up everything. It does get some of the dirt, but not at all. If I'm going to spend the time to clean the interior, I want it done 100%, or at least as close to 100% as possible. And so far, I don't think this product is going to do that. But I think we should try the cup holders, because if this is gonna work, I think it's gonna be in areas like that, where you're gonna get a little like bunch of crumbs and things like that, and this stuff can really form to the cup holder. So let's go try that out right now. All right, so here are the cup holders. Not that exciting, but here's the slime more excitingly. And I'm just going to plop her in, and look at how it just kind of like, it just mushes down into all those areas, which is probably good for something like this, right? Get all the crumbs out of there, whatever. So let's try to pull this out. It'll probably pull my little pony cup holder thing. It did, it pulled it right out of there. Look at that. Oh, yes, smush it in there. Okay. And it does look, oh yeah, she's cleaned some stuff. Look at that. Some crap and things. So in the cup holder, it looks like it's picking up some of the dust and grime and things like that. So that's cool. So maybe you could use this stuff for cup holders, things of that nature. I'm going to test it out real quick on the gear shifter area, because there are some little parts around here where I think something like this could come in handy. You can actually see, I don't know if you can or not, but it is pulling out some gunk and stuff around between the chrome and the center console. So let me see, we're gonna keep doing this. It actually is pulling out some, oh yeah guys, do you see that? Okay. At least it's doing something, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna try to use it all around here, guys. Let's just smush it down and look at, you can see that it is picking this stuff up around this little chrome bezel here, which actually that's pretty good because how I have to get in there typically is a brush and obviously cleaning solution, interior cleaner, which I still prefer to do, but oh God, that went in kind of deep. So it does seem to work. I guess you just might have to, you know, keep your expectations in check with a product like this. Is it going to, you know, clean everything spotless? No. Is it going to replace your interior cleaning regimen on your car? No, it's not going to replace mine anyway. But I think it might serve its purpose in a pinch. But I have one more test here that I'm going to see if this thing can do, and that is cleaning out this little tray here, and I'm gonna give you a better view of this and see how it does. All right, so this is the rubber little tray that goes right there where, you know, people put their keys and all sorts of other crap, I'm sure. But mine, you can see there is a bunch of dust and stuff like that on here. So let's lay this slime in here and see what it does. You know, we're gonna, okay, it's picking it up. Yep. And hopefully it don't roll off for the count here. All right, so it did pick up the dust and whatever else is in there. Look at that. It actually, now there's a lot of scratches and stuff like that, but it did clean it. Now eventually, guys, this stuff is gonna become like uber contaminated, I'm sure, because the instructions do not give you any sort of way to like clean this off. It doesn't say for you to like rinse it underwater or anything like that. So I'm assuming that's a no-go. So maybe this is a, you know, a product that you could use until it's, you know, just so disgusting that you don't feel comfortable using it anymore, maybe. Or it's something that, actually really that's the only option. You can use it until it's gross and then you'll have to throw it away. So after testing this stuff, does it work and should you buy it? Does it work? Yes, if you manage your expectations. This is not, in my opinion, going to be a replacement interior cleaner for your car if you're already using, you know, an interior cleaner spray with a microfiber towel or even an interior cleaning brush for the little tight spots and things like that. I don't think that this is going to be like you grab this instead of that. I don't think so most of the time. Now this might be nice if you are in a pinch and you have it in your glove box or something like that and you don't have access to a microfiber towel or something like that. That's where I see this product actually being useful. It does work, you just have to manage your expectations a little bit because at the end of the day, this is slime essentially that we used to play with as kids, or maybe you do as an adult, I don't know. It was kind of fun to play around with here today, not gonna lie, but I won't be replacing my interior cleaning regimen with this stuff. That's for sure. However, I'm not gonna get rid of it. I'm going to hang on to this, and if you guys want to buy it, I will put a link to the Amazon page for this stuff where you can buy it as well. It's super cheap, so it might not be a bad idea if you found that it might be of use to you. With all that being said, guys, thanks for stopping by for another video. I really appreciate it here. And as the holidays get closer, I hope you guys have some time off of work and you guys can spend some time with your family and friends. We are getting close to 1,000 subscribers. We just hit the 800 mark. So thank you so much for that, guys. I really appreciate it. I'm shooting to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you've seen a couple of my videos and you haven't hit subscribe yet, it would be an awesome thing for you to do is hit that subscribe button and like the video. That way we can hopefully hit our goal by the end of the year to get the channel to 1,000 subscribers. Wouldn't be possible without you guys, so I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.